activities in the coming days. Here are your short-term and long-term forecasts for your region. We're celebrating our 25th anniversary this year. As we look back, here's one of your favorite local forecast tunes from 2005. Stay tuned for more in-depth coverage of today's weather headlines. Upload your photos and videos, visit upload.theweathernetwork.com. Stay tuned to Force of Nature, a look at the wildest weather from around the world.
This local forecast has been brought to you by Scotiabank. Earn travel rewards up to 4 times faster with the Scotiabank Gold American Express card. Conditions apply.
Good morning. We've been talking about it, and it's getting a lot of activity on Twitter as well. Is this an April Fool's joke? No, it's no April Fool's joke. Storm watch, and the winter season, even though we're now into spring, is still taking hold, and in many cases still very much in charge. Northwestern Ontario and Atlantic Canada. So let's start in the northwest. A low-pressure system coming up the U.S. Midwest is going to cross Lake Superior today and on its way to James Bay. So anywhere east of that line, say from Moosonee to Sault Ste. Marie, you're going to be above zero. And in the southern Ontario, it's going to be quite warm. But west of there, west of Thunder Bay, numerous highway closures, the snow, the blowing snow, the ruthless conditions, and that will continue for much of today. So travel not recommended. Winter storm warnings, which really is just a combination of the snow and the wind, means whiteouts. Snowfall warnings, another 15 centimeters of snow, and then the freezing rain near the shores of Lake Superior and all up towards Hearst and Kapuskasing will ultimately change over to snow showers. So north of Lake Nipigon, the heaviest snow is on the way, and in south and west of Lake Nipigon down to the Minnesota border, the snow continues for now. All right, so Port Francis, Ontario, this is what it looked like. Thank you very much, Pam. Not looking like spring. I'm not hearing many robins singing. I don't see much glades, not many glades of grass either. Tomorrow will be a nicer day, a calmer day, and a sunny day, but not today. Not today. Owen Sound, 8 degrees. You'll see a few scattered showers. Barrie, around 7 degrees for you. Toronto, 8. And Ottawa, down towards Brooksville, Kingston, 6 to 8 degrees. A few possible scattered showers, but most of your day is dry and fair. You get some rain showers tonight in Ottawa. Sharon, thank you very much from Fredericton. How much snow has Fredericton seen in this last storm? Shall we start the bidding at 30 centimeters, 40 centimeters, 53 centimeters, My goodness, and ice pellets as well. Well, I'm really getting concerned for the St. John River Valley this spring because, of course, we had the big dump of snow in northern areas and then central areas and southern regions. Of course, we know that the rivers flow south towards the Bay of Fundy. So this will be certainly one to be very mindful of. Flood preparations this spring in New Brunswick. And then all the freezing rain and the ice pellets and the trees coming down and portions of Nova Scotia, PEI, and New Brunswick as well. It's just unbelievable. So winter storm warnings, and all this is going to change over to snow. And with the strong winds, that means blowing snow much of the day. No surprise, we have a lot of school closures, a lot of businesses shut down today as well. And in southern areas of Newfoundland, it's the winter storm warnings for 15 to 25 centimeters of snow. Although St. John's here getting more than that by the looks of things. Over 30 centimeters, the forecast now. And take a look at this. More snow to go. And tomorrow, the snow will taper off. It'll just be windy, so blowing snow will continue right into Wednesday. So this storm system being in effect for multiple days. Multiple days. All right. There's a city in there somewhere behind all that fog. Thank you very much. Take to Calgary. Minus 10 yesterday. Today a little milder. Just a little milder. Got some fog again this morning. Minus 3 for you. Minus 6 in Regina. So from the Queen City to the Bridge City, we got minus 3 in Saskatoon and Winnipeg, minus 7. But dress for wind chills around minus 14. That's this afternoon. It's been close to minus 25 this morning in Winnipeg. By the way, the travel advisories are now ending for most areas in southern Manitoba. The blizzard warning is now long gone. So for Wednesday, high pressure. We're going to see temperatures getting even above the freezing mark in the coming days for the eastern prairies. That'll feel nice. British Columbia, your next shot of rain really comes on Thursday. You'll note milder temperatures. That'll be largely rain for the Bay of Fundy by Thursday. Calmer day in Newfoundland. And then in Ontario, you're clouding over, a little cooler. Now, this storm system will bring rain to the lower Great Lakes on Friday. So this will be windy and rain showers. There'll certainly be some powerful thunderstorms down in the U.S. But northern Ontario, more snow again. Now, look what happens on Saturday as we get east of the low, or rather west of the low. We talk about the cooler wrapping air behind it. That could change rain to some snow showers, including southern and eastern Ontario, Quebec, and then that messy mix will move into the Maritimes as well once again. So no April Fool's Day joke. We're in storm watch, and we'll give you all the details coming up.
For your quickest way around traffic, go to beatthetraffic.com or get the app on iTunes or Google Play and get there sooner. Earn travel rewards up to 4 times faster with the Scotiabank Gold American Express card. Details at scotiabank.com/4 times faster. Conditions apply.
New Dove Purely Pampering Body Wash, now in pistachio cream and magnolia. The pampering scent and creamy lather combined with nutrient moisture leave you and your skin comfortably nourished. New Dove Purely Pampering. Shower yourself in our most delicious care.
My lenses have a sunset mode, an early morning mode, and a partly sunny mode.
New Transition Signature Adaptive Lenses are more responsive than ever. Experience life well lived. Upgrade your lenses to New Transition Signature.
Just as important as clean dishes is that I'm not using so many harsh chemicals. But sometimes when you use some of the current products, there's a compromise. Finding a dishwasher detergent that has less chemicals and is effective at the same time, that's a win-win for me.
Introducing Finish Power and Free with hydrogen peroxide action, which combines water and active oxygen to fizz away tough, dried-on food for an unbeatable clean and shine with less harsh chemicals. The new Finish Power and Free range.
No one can understand the life of a woman in the developing world better than another woman in any part of the world. The struggle to be equal and to be allowed to realize your potential. At CARE, we found that when women are empowered, it's one of the fastest ways to help the world move forward. If you'll just reach out and lend a hand, you won't believe what you can start.
Ester C provides stomach-friendly immune support, a healthy way to help start your day. It's spectacular, humbling, and its disappearance threatens our weather and livelihoods. Unearthed premieres this Sunday at 7 and 10 p.m. exclusively on the Weather Network.
To help plan for your activities in the coming days, here are your short-term and long-term forecasts for your region. We're celebrating our 25th anniversary this year. As we look back, here's one of your favorite local forecast tunes from 1999. Stay tuned for more in-depth coverage of today's weather headlines. To upload your photos and videos, visit upload.theweathernetwork.com. Stay tuned to Force of Nature, a look at the wildest weather from around the world.
This local forecast has been brought to you by Midas. Save on brakes, tires, maintenance, and total car care. Trust the Midas touch.